Alright, so I'm going to go over the new login system I created. First you have to go to cpink.zzl.org and download it. Go to the downloads page and then find programs available for download. Beta cpink's 2011 login system, click that and download the zip file. I already have that, so I'm not going to download it again. Once you get it, you can extract it with WinRAR, WinZip, or Windows installed zip program. Once you get it, you have to put in the password to extract it, which is on the Facebook page, and then just run the setup.exe. It's pretty easy, just click install and it'll install, and then it will run. On first run, you'll see that it's telling you, hey, this is the first time you've ran it, so we need to install some files and download some stuff, which is why it's going to be a little bit slow right now. But once that's done, then you can look at the nice little interface we got here: login, create user, file exit, and check for updates, which I have misspelled, and I need to spell that again on the next update. So let's go ahead and create a user, just to show you what it's like to create a user. So what it's going to do is it's going to take the names, the text, encrypt it, put that encrypted text into a text document, take that text document and upload it to the server, and then delete that text document from your computer so that no one can hack into it. Alright, then we can go ahead and log in. And all this does is it looks for the name of the file on the server. If it's found, then it's going to download that, decrypt it, test to see if it's going to work, and if it works, then it's going to log you in. And there it is. Pretty easy. You can go and check for updates. Unless it's going to install on me. There we go. No updates are available right now. When there's an update, then it'll tell you. So that's pretty much the simple login system. It took me like 4 days to create that, but I'm already starting to work on the next update. This is what I got so far. I'm going to add labels describing what to do on each tab. I'm going to make the text nothing when a new tab is clicked. So when you type in the username here and then move to this tab, this username is going to become like that. You're not going to see it. Some, the little add things. I'm going to make buttons able to be pressed as enter when on the current tab, meaning if I were to log in and all this and I was here, I could just press enter and it would log in. Right now, it's not going to work. I'm going to fix a major bug when logging in with the web browser. Right now, when you log in and you log in correctly, it'll open up your web browser. But if you put in the wrong password and log in, it's going to say, hey, you got the wrong password. But it's still going to open up your web browser until you logged in successfully. So that's wrong, and that needs to be fixed. That's going to bump it up to 1.1. I'm going to add a close button to the update form. Right here, underneath download, I'm going to add a close button. I'm also going to fix the download location. There's going to be when there's a download, there's going to be a link here. And I don't know if you're going to be able to press or not, but right now the link is not visible and is wrong. It needs to be fixed. I'm going to fix the download location, and I'm going to fix an error, spelling error, here and here. You can't see it here because it says done, but there's a spelling error. And then add a current version to the update, which would bump it up to 1.2. I'm going to add a current version right here. That's going to tell you what current version you got right now. So, pretty simple right now. Just go to the Facebook page as often as you can and see that, hey, there's new updates out there. Also, this is the website I have right now for my program, cpink.zzl.org. You can check here for downloads, new downloads. I'm going to add a news section here. I'm also going to update the Facebook page whenever I add stuff. But a bunch of the stuff's not really working right now because I haven't taken the time to fix anything yet. but I link my blog and Jason's blog. And just to show you that on the FTP, you got Administrator and Avenger. Administrator is created every single time the program runs for the first time, and then Avenger 19 was the one that I created. So if you open it, I gotta log in, you can open it. Nobody can see this or anything, but if anyone were to hack the website, they'd have to get past the encryption to get the usernames. So it's pretty secure, I think. I'm not sure how good the encryption is, but apparently you need the key, which I'm not giving anyone, of course. So, but that's the login system. So I'm going to update it as soon as I can.